Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today we're going to show you how to make a Hogwarts Legacy inspired hat. So I've made a few of them myself already and I'm having a great time doing it. And I just thought I'd share to you my process in case any of you might want to try it yourselves. So the first thing you're going to need is an EVA foam camping mat. So one similar to this, you can buy them on Amazon, eBay, or you can buy them usually at your local hardware store. So I was lucky enough to get some in grey, so that was handy. So just make sure that it is EVA foam. So you're also going to need a heat gun and some contact glue, a Stanley blade, some strings, some pens, and some scissors. So let's get into how to make them. So first of all, spread your foam out, and then you want to get a pencil and some string. And I use a Sharpie for the other end. So this is going to be like your compass. I don't have a compass this big, so this is how I decided to do it. So the measurements for this are 25 centimeters. That is the length on this bit of string that I'm using here. So you want to plonk your pencil in the middle, and Sharpies work much better for this, I find. And then cut it out with your scissors. There we go. So now we're going to check how it looks as a cone. Looks pretty good. So now I want to have a little bit more shape at the back of this hat. So I'm just going to draw some lines on it to how I think I would quite like it. And then cut the one side out, fold it over so you can use that as a template for the other side, and cut that side out. And that should work. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. So now I just want to trim the top bit, which is going to be the peak of the hat. So I'm just kind of trimming some angles to make it a little bit easier to glue the bit at the top together. And I'm going to snip the top bit off a little bit. And just keep trimming so that when I come to glue the two sides together, it makes it just that little bit easier. Okay, so this is the contact cement I use, or the contact glue I use, and it is Alpha Fix-A-Fix. I swear by this. I use this on my Space Marine build, and it works so good. So we're just going to spread a bit on the edges. Just a thin layer. And once that's on, you just need to leave it for about 10 minutes usually, until it's dry basically. So it'll be a little sort of sticky to the touch, but it won't be all sort of goopy. And then we're going to start from the peak of the hat and just start pressing it together. It should start adhering instantly. This is really good stuff. Then we're going to work our way down the rest of the hat doing the same thing. It doesn't quite match at the bottom, but all in all, I'm quite happy with that. So don't worry if it doesn't match at the bottom. You can just snip that bit off. And now you're going to want to get a heat gun, and I'm sorry about this. I thought that the camera was actually pointing on the hat, but you can see what I'm doing here. So you want to heat up a part of it so it's nice and hot, and then you want to pinch it together from the inside and then hold it in place. And then you'll find that once you let go, it will have made a crease in it. So this will be altering the shape. I'm just going to go around and do this many times, adding creases as I go, checking the picture of the hat that I've got, and also trying it on my head and seeing how it looks. So you've got to kind of just guess at these. There's no actual exact way or exact amount of creases. So you just want to keep going. I usually do more up to the top so I can give the peak that sort of bent over to one side thing. So you just want to keep heating it. You will find sometimes that when you heat it and then you hold the crease, sometimes if you hold it for long enough, one part of the foam will get stuck to the other part. And sometimes that's fine. I quite like it like that because it holds it in place a lot better. So as you can see, it's starting to take a bit of shape now. And you can even do the line by the glue and it won't come apart either. So that is really handy as well. So we want to do the peak of the cap now. We're going to work on that for a little bit. and then a few more bits around the side, and you can see this foam is so easy and handy to work with. Sometimes if you put the heat gun over one of the areas, it will pull the crease out, so you want to make sure you're concentrating on the specific area that you actually want the crease to be in. And keep going back to the photo, the concept photo of the design that you like, and try and mimic. It's looking a bit like a sorting hat at the moment, which is awesome, so that has given me a bit of inspiration. I might actually have to try and do a sorting hat at some point. So you can just keep adding creases or pulling them out by heating certain ones that you're not happy about, and you can just keep doing this until you're happy with the shape. And I am very pleased with that and how it's turned out. Now you can decorate it however you want. I have not decorated mine yet, but I do intend to. So as you could see at the beginning of the video, you can make these in so many different sizes and different variations, so just have fun playing and let me know how you get on in the comments below. So this is my first video on making props or cosplay on this channel, and I hope it was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy the video, maybe leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day and take care.